In this lesson, I will show you how to create a line inside the sketch. First, I will take a sketch on this front plane. I have to activate my line tool first. To activate it, I can get that line tool inside this sketch tab from here, or if I go to tools, sketch entities, from here I can activate it, or if I press S key in my keyboard, I can also activate my line tool from here. Also, the best option is if you use mouse gesture, in that case you can get the line tool here. My line tool is active now. Now I can make any line here. To create the line, you just have to pick 2 points. I will pick first point, and then as soon as I pick my second point, this is my line. After creating this line, if I want, I can create few other line. So if I take few other points, I can create multi-line at the same time. After creating my line, if I want to deactivate this line tool, I just have to press here. It will deactivate this line. I will active my line tool again by pressing this line tool. This time I will create my line, and if I want to deactivate it, there is another popular option is available. If I press escape key in my keyboard, it will deactivate the line. There is another nice way to deactivate the line tool. Let's say I will create my line. Then if I right click here and select it, it will deactivate my line tool. If you want to active your line tool after making few line, let's say I will make this 3 line, and now I don't want to deactivate it. I want to keep active, but I want to finish this line. In that case, if I press right click and press end chain, then it is still active, but this will end this line. I will create 2 more line again. Now to end this line, I will double click left mouse button and it will finish my line, but this is still active. Now let's say I want to make a horizontal line. In that case, I can select this horizontal option inside this orientation. Then I will select my first point, and if I want to move anywhere, you will see always this is horizontal. Now I will create another line which is also horizontal. When I am done, I have to press OK. Now I want to make another line which is vertical, so I will press this option. Then you can see this is always vertical. When I am done, I will press OK. Now I will show you how to create just only one line segment. I will active this. I will press and hold my left mouse button, and my first point is defined. Now I have to specify my second point. To specify my second point, I just have to release my mouse to the specific point. Let's say I will release my mouse somewhere here. As soon as I release it, you can see this is just a one line segment. There is no continuation of this line. So this is how you can create one line segment, and this is still active. So at the same time, you don't need to active again and again. If I want to create another one line segment, press and hold left mouse button, then release to the another point. So this is how you can create single line segment.